Congratulations, you're January's Weslaco ISD Employee of the Month.
Sandra Cuellar is shocked and can't hold back some tears. She is January's A+ Employee of the Month.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I was so shocked, but oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
You take care of all the employees here, so again, I'm very proud of you. I want to commend you.
Actually, WISD is appreciative for the district's custodial
selected
administrative
is,
assistant.
tremendous
Recently,
honor.
her duties
again,
have increased,
congratulations.
and she is now responsible for over 170 employees in maintenance and custodial departments.
She's taken up the task of both departments without any complaint. And I think what makes her special is that she's very compassionate about her job, about the district, about the people that she services.
Whether repairs are needed or supplies need to be ordered, Cuellar finds a way to get all documents finalized. Despite the high number of staff, payroll has gone smoothly for all weekly and bi-weekly employees.
Because I feel that we're here for our students in the district. If we can make it better for them, why not? In any which way, shape, or form.
In other words, Cuellar sees herself as part of a village for our students. She understands by making sure the custodial and maintenance departments have everything they need, campuses will thrive.
It hasn't been easy, but it's been a lot of hard work. I want to do it because I don't want either department to fall back with the regular procedures that need to get done on a regular basis.
In high-pressure situations, Cuellar is still holding on strong. Through the challenges, she's kept a positive attitude.
A lot of times I go home and try to rest because it's been a long, hard day, but nonetheless worth it.
For KWES TV, I'm Gonzalez.